Hello everyone! Kanta na po ko ani. I must be crazy now. Baby, I'm doing so much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch. I wish I could have very first day I saw you. Should I make my move when you look in my eyes? I love you. Please say you love me too. These words, they could change my life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Thank you.